What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, probably like a couple of months. Actually, no, it was when the quarantine started, so probably exactly like 3.5 months ago, almost 4 months ago. So, since my state is out of the quarantine, technically, I'm back to work, doing whatever. I'm actually in a better mood to actually film some new videos for you guys, and for those who follow me on Instagram, know I'm launching KILLERKAT lashes. I'm so excited! So me and my hubby, we decided to launch our own lash company. It's super cute. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. We're just waiting for the last couple of pieces of the things that we need to, you know, have the final product and launch it. And we should be setting up the website probably this week. But yeah, don't forget to follow, you know, KILLERKAT Lashes on Instagram. We are going to eventually have like Twitter, Facebook, and all that, but for now I only have Instagram. So yeah, for today's video, I really want to keep it more of like get ready with me, chill type of video, since it's been such a long time since I filmed, and I just keep talking like this, and it's just so weird on a camera, because I feel like I haven't talked to anyone in person in like 3.5 months. Well, except like my hubby, of course, like Darren, and my family, my sisters and whatnot. But like, I don't know, my English is a little rusty, and just enough of me blabbering. Let's actually get started with some makeup. So for the primer, I will be using the BioRace serum. It's like a moisturizing, enhancing serum type of cream. So I want to moisturize my face. I'm gonna a couple pumps on my face. Now try to wrap this into my face like so. Fucking delicious. Oh yeah, what else new? Yeah, girl actually lost over 20 pounds. I was literally hitting 155. I know it's not like a crazy number, but for me it is, since like years ago, I used to be almost 200 pounds. Then, you know, like high school came, I lost a lot of fucking pounds. Like, I went from like 200 to like 119. That was 118. It was actually like my lowest weight ever. So like, I don't know, me gaining like probably like over like 40 pounds. it was awful. Like, nothing fit me, and I was just honestly getting so upset and depressed and just complaining about it every single day to Darren. And he was like, dude, like, I gained weight myself, let's just go on a diet, let's start working out. So like, this sweet boy literally bought me a shake weight. Like, I did not tell this kid to freaking buy this for me, but like, he knew how upset I was about like my arms and, you know, me gaining weight. So he actually ordered that for me, and I've been using that for almost over a month now, and guys, my arms are starting to actually get a little like muscle in it. They're getting a little, you know, a little bit more stronger than before, which is fucking amazing. Sorry for my language. Like, I'm gonna try not to curse so much in my videos, but it's just so hard. Like, bitch. I feel like sometimes I sound like a trucker, so let me just turn off my volume on my phone, because my mom keeps texting me. I'm gonna text her back later, but yeah. For the foundation, I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 foundation. Honestly, like, I've been using the smallest amount of foundation. I've been going for more of like a natural look and not wearing a lot of makeup, since like I was at home for a long time, and then now that I'm back to work, we have to wear the stupid masks. I'm sorry, like, just wearing makeup and in the heat, I'm not having that. Like, I honestly, like, cannot fucking breathe wearing the stupid mask. And then, you know, what's the point? Like, no one's seeing, like, this much of my face anyway. So, like, it doesn't even matter I have fucking, any makeup on. Like, bitch, who's gonna see it? No one. Like, all they're gonna do is see my eyes, and my eyes are cute, so I don't give a fuck. I'm not saying that, like, you need makeup or anything, but, you know what I mean. Ooh, yeah. You guys are probably confused that I'm back to my red hair, and, like, I have this many, you know, this much space for my roots. I haven't bleached my hair since, like, January. You guys know I tried that, like, SWAT, like, shampoo, the clarifying shampoo. Well, bitch, guess what? I fucking used it for, like, over 2 months, and I started losing my hair from it. And this has nothing to do with, like, me bleaching my hair, damaging it. Like, I haven't touched my hair with bleach since January, as you guys can see. And then the purple that I had with the pink and before, those are semi-permanent hair dyes. They wash out, so I can overlay, you know, any color on top of it pretty much once it, like, washes out back to, like, a nice blonde, or do really light bleach wash. But, like, god damn, my hair started falling out. So now I'm trying to just let it breathe. I'm keeping it red because it's super easy to keep up with, especially, like, using the Arctic Fox. And then if you can mix the conditioner with your the hair dye, obviously it's gonna last, you know, quite some time. Alright, so that's all for the foundation. Then I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer. I will put this, you know, obviously on my, you know, the spots everyone else fucking puts their concealer on. Honestly, at this point, like, I don't even want to, like, show you guys what I do, because, like, I feel like everyone nowadays, like, knows how to do makeup. And even if they don't, there's so many freaking videos online on how you should apply concealer, where to put it. I mean, obviously, spots that you need more coverage, which could be different, but for some reason, we always just do it this way. Alright, so what else new happened? I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, not to jinx it, but bitch, I'm honestly, like, trying so hard to move to Florida. I fucking hate it up here. So, wish me luck. I don't want to jinx it. Oh yeah, so, for what we were talking earlier, what I was saying is how I lost weight was pretty much by eating, you know, a certain amount of calories. I obviously cut out a lot of calories in my diet, but bitch, if I tell you that I lost weight just eating the Taco Bell Power Bowls, because they're like 400 calories, just eating that every day, and then eating, honestly, just grilled chicken or baked chicken with, like, nothing on it, like maybe slight amount of, like, garlic and, like, butter on it, and then just vegetables. That's all I've been eating, and salads. It's fucking delicious. Like, I've been feeling so much better since I just started eating that. I don't feel full. I have more energy somehow than before. And yeah. And then Darren, same thing. He lost over 30 pounds, which is fucking great. And he's still losing weight. So am I, which I'm still not at the weight that I want to be. I still have a little bit to go. But at least things are finally starting to fit me again, which is fucking great. Oh yeah, for the powder, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Translucent Powder. I think it's like shade 2 or something like that. But yeah, if you guys, like, are confused by my setup, I tried to switch it up. I'm actually in my, like, dining room area. Well, in the back is my kitchen, but this is, like, the dining room. I mean, did I say kitchen? I meant to say living room, and then this is, like, the dining area, and then right here is the kitchen in front of me. So I'm just kind of trying new setting and lighting and whatever. Like, obviously that's still a little messy. Like, that's Darren's actual, like, his side of the living room, because he has his, like, guitar and piano where he plays music. And then I have all my cute decoration stuff on, like, the other side. Because since, like, our apartment is kind of small and, you know, we both have a lot of shit, we need to kind of, like, organize it and have it, you know, whatever he likes, and then the stuff that I like. That's all for the foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Milani Big Bronzer in Dolce. My favorite bronzer ever in this world. Like, I use this bitch every single day. Or the NARS Laguna bronzer, but that one's a little bit too, like, muddy for me for now. Like, I feel like it's more of like a cool tone bronzer, and right now for the summer, I don't want to be too cool toned. I want to be glowing. So I'm gonna put this, you know, bronze up my face. Yo, I'm peeling so bad right here. I'm just gonna cover that up. Oh yeah, the nails I have on my hands right now are the Kiss nails, and let me tell you, for $8 fucking, bitch, this is so much better than going to a nail salon. Like, we'll see how long they hold, but I did use the Kiss super, like, fast, like, glue that they have. So hopefully that's gonna make them last longer. Okay, so that's all for the bronzer. And then I'm gonna grab the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted blush in Fantastical. Ooh, my hair. I'm gonna fix these little piece. And I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks. Just like this. This smells so good. But yeah, I cannot wait for you guys to actually, like, shop my lash. I can't wait for you guys to actually shop my lash brand. I'm so excited. You guys are gonna love them. I am not gonna show them in this video. I will have, like, a reveal video for my lashes with the whole box, the packaging, and everything. And we are gonna be doing free shipping over $30 orders. So if you technically, the lashes are gonna be like $12.99. Or actually no, I'm debating about the prices, but I think we're just gonna keep it at $12. So technically, if you buy 3 pairs of lashes, you're gonna get free shipping, which is, we have 5 pairs, and you can choose 3 out of them. Like, which I have a feeling like you guys are gonna love every single one of them. I personally do, and I'm picky as fuck with lashes, but it, you know, they're just too cute. So excited. And then for the highlight, I will be going into the Aurora. I cannot fucking pronounce this, but it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting palette. And I'm gonna go into that shade called Eclipse. I'm gonna swirl my brush. Ooh. That's cute. But yeah, we will be selling all the lashes individually, but I am gonna have like a little limited edition of where you can buy the whole like set of 5 lashes. I am not gonna show you guys in this like video like how the lashes look or how the packaging is. Like I said earlier, there is gonna be a special reveal of the lashes. I did my brows off the camera and contoured my nose, and now we're gonna go into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the So Jaded eyeshadow palette from ColourPop by Kathleen Lights. I'm trying to have like a super like simple like, you know, makeup look today. That's really like dewy, like a super soft glam, I would say. Yeah, like a super soft glam for today. So I'm just gonna take that like pretty like a caramel looking color. I don't know. And I'm just gonna use that as like the base. Ooh, bitch, this is cute. Alright, so that's all for the, like, the base color. I think that's cute. What do you guys think? Also, let me know down below, like, do you guys like this background? I personally like it. Like, it's different. The angle of it looks cute. You know. I don't know. Don't mind me, guys. And then, for that, I'm gonna grab, like, a smaller brush. And I'm gonna go in. Oh. I'm gonna go into this, like, a shade Jasper. Yeah, that's the name of that shade. Yeah, I'm just kind of like put that on the outer corner of my eye. Kind of just stamp it on there to deepen it. Just like that. Alright, so that's all for that. And then I'm going to take like a flat brush. Diamond. It's like this pretty like mousse color. I'm gonna spritz my brush though. And I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Ooh, look at this color, guys. Ooh, this is so pretty. I really wanted something super like natural today. I don't know why. Usually I try to do like crazy makeup looks, but honestly lately I haven't been feeling it. I think maybe it's because it's summertime and I don't feel like wearing too much makeup. I just want to keep it really like fresh and natural. Oh, so do you guys have any like recommendations for like movies and stuff like that? Because I feel like I've watched everything. I mean, like, I've been watching like Weeds again, which me and Darren already seen like probably 3 times. Well, he's seen it more than I have, but I personally been rewatching it, and it was like the 3rd time I've been personally watching it. So, alright guys, so that's all for the eyes. I'm gonna quickly put these Kiss Lash Couture Luxe extensions in Russian volume. These are the lashes. Nice and cute. I'm gonna put these on. Just focus. I'm gonna put mascara on, put some inner corner highlight, and then put these lashes on, and I'll show you guys the final look. I'll show you guys what lipstick I'm gonna put on, and we're all done. Alright guys, so I'm back with the final look. These are the lashes. They came out hella cute. You can see how they look. For the lips, I used the Bella Pierre Cosmetics lipstick in Incognito. Let me show you guys the packaging. And then for the lip liner, I used the LA Girl Precision lip liner in, I believe this is Sugar and Spice. Yep, in Sugar and Spice. That's for the lip. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I know this video was kind of like too talkative. I didn't talk too much about makeup, but it is my first video back from my little YouTube break, I guess. So yeah. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my nonsense. Follow me on Instagram, which is simi_violet, and don't forget to check out our KILLERKAT lashes on Instagram. You know, turn on the little notification button so you guys can get notified every time we post. And keep an eye out for the launch date. I cannot wait to show it to you guys. Like, I cannot, like, stop talking about it. So, yeah, that's all. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.